Whew. Alright. I just love coming home from a 10-hour work day. Opening a nice cold beer. It was a big one too. Got a big mouth on it, so you can drink it real easy. Not just a beer, but a package. What I get today? You're about to find out what I got today. And how big it is. I actually got something to cut it with too, not some crazy Dremel or whatchamacallit, a screwdriver to actually open the package. There we go. There's a nice little styrofoam and a smell to it. Oh wow. Let's adjust the angle. Alright, what is all this? It comes in a foam. Here's the main piece. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. For real. A lot bigger. See my hand? Yeah. That's a big blow-off valve. Oh man, that's a lot of pressure too. Dang. I mean, it's not crazy, but it's a lot of pressure. That's cool. That's cool. So, what all do I have to say? It's a blow-off valve. And honestly, all this hardware it came with, this huge spring, that's stiff. I don't know what that's set for. I have no idea, but it's really stiff. And the flange, I guess, you solder it on, braze it on, it's aluminum, so I don't think I can weld onto it with the arc weld. Maybe I can if I got the right electrode, and I've got the nipple thing for the vacuum line. You have to bolt it onto the top, and extra gasket, a few gaskets, some bolts. I have to figure this out later, so I'm just going to skip all that and yeah, skip.